How to fix storage is almost full problem on iPhone. So see, you can click on manage storage and delete the unnecessary chats and all here also. And there are other ways to free up the storage. Let me tell you both. Simply click on manage storage. You will get this kind of interface, and here you simply it will show the chat size here. You have to simply click on the individual particular chats, and here click on select and select all the unnecessary items except the ones you want to keep. Okay, and then click on delete and delete items. Okay, so it will free up the space that's being taken by old chats and media on your WhatsApp. Other than that, what you can do is simply go to iPhone setting. Here scroll down, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and here empty the recently deleted album. Sometimes you delete the photos but they are still there in recently deleted album and taking up your storage, so simply empty them up. Okay, other than that, you can simply click on review your photos and videos and delete unnecessary videos that you don't want to keep. Okay, and other than that, if you have any unused apps on your iPhone that you don't use often, you can simply tap on that. Okay, any app, whichever app is that, you simply tap on that, click on remove app and delete app, and this way you can free up the storage and get this problem fixed. Okay.